Hello, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to install an iPhone-like keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A16. To install an iPhone-like keyboard, go to Play Store, then search for an app named Green Apple Keyboard. This is the one, this green one with Apple on it. Then click on Install and wait for a moment. Then after a short while, you'll be able to click on Open. Open it, then click on Enable in Settings. Enable Green Apple Keyboard, then click on OK and click on OK again. Now go back. Click on Switch Input Methods and switch it to the Green Apple Keyboard option. Then click on Finished. You can adjust some settings if you want, but I'm not gonna adjust it. Just let's go into Google or any other app you can type in to test your keyboard. You can see it resembles the iPhone keyboard, and you can type on it to search for something. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.